How do we get the Targum file from your website and install it to your own eSword program? You just click on it and download it. And what you'd want to do with all anything that's a let me grab it here so we can see. This is a BBLX. So anything like that's a Bible. So you just click on it and it should come up and see now I can save it. So what you'd want to do if I didn't have it, I would go to this is a PC, so it's this PC C, and I think it's 86. Yeah, there's eSword. So click on that, and that's where all the Bibles are at. So just save this there. Then you'd have to exit out of eSword rather, and then back into it, and then it should just show up in your thing. You can do this with. See, I've got the New King James Plus, ISV. That's another one that I bought. Hebrew, Targum, and then the Tectus Receptus Interlinear. So just any of those you just throw in there. Make sure they're safe. Things on my site have been scanned with viruses. You can get them on BibleSupport.com, this place here, including ones you can buy. So very interesting thing. So there's a lot of stuff here if you're interested that you can get a copy of.